I love dividend, and using Thinkorswim, I can easily find out the ex-dividend date so that I can quickly get some money and I can be prepared to buy or hold that stock before the ex-dividend date. So let's see how we can do this thing. To find out the ex-dividend date using Thinkorswim, we can do very quickly. So let's see. Once we open Thinkorswim, we have to come to the trade section. So there are a couple of tabs are there. We just need to click trade, and then here there are a couple of tabs are there like all products, then forex trader, future trader, active trader, so on. But inside this trade tab, we just need to click all products, and there you'll find all the option chains and a small line where you will find the details of that stock. Suppose this is Tesla stock. I'm going to change it to Apple stock, AAPL. The ticker for Apple is AAPL. This is a symbol for Apple stock. And here it's showing right now it is trading $218 and net change this and so many data. And there is a small arrow. We just need to click here and you will find the ex-dividend date is here. So right now it is showing ex-dividend date 8/11/2025. So to get the dividend, we have to remember this date. So that's it. In this way, we can easily find out the ex-dividend date of particular stock so that we can get some dividend. Again, I am telling you, you have to come trade this tab, all products, and then by default you will see like this. You just need to expand it, and here you will find the ex-dividend date.